Hello and welcome to the Springmaid Pier. As of the recording of this, we are told that the pier will be open on June 1st, which is only a few days away. But as you can see, there's still a big old crane at the end of the pier. The secondary pier on the left side is still present for construction purposes, and railings are not complete. So I'm a little dubious on the June 1st opening, but we will see. We shall see. Very peaceful day at the beach right now. I was hoping to be swinging by here today and seeing a little more progress, a little more than what I'm seeing at the moment. Above my head is the temporary pier that they have put up for construction activities. This pier will be going away. Thank you for joining me on this quick update on Springmaid Pier. Hopefully they will be able to complete what needs to be done in order to get pedestrians on this thing come June 1st. Until next time, everybody, take it easy.